Yo, never gone skydiving before. I broke him! I wasn't even looking, I was in my mini-map. Push! I got him! Did he try taking my rocket launcher? I killed his friend. Great. We'll be fine. We'll live. No, you.
It's coming down for hours.
Dude, every step these people fucking take is measured on the Richter scale. Get plates.
I got him. Uh-oh. Hello, sir. How are you?
Please. Help me. I don't have a gas mask, so I'm dead again, but I move closer.
I'm a god among men.
Oh wait, are they down there?
I got a double kill. Wait, I killed both of them. Uh-oh.
Alright. I'm dead.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, it's that guy. He's in here. I broke him. Dude, do the Lord's work.
Oh, I downed both of them.
Yes, you got both. You got both. Come on. The other one. The other one. The other one.
Where is he?
The other one's reviving. He's reviving right here in the corner. He's reviving right here. Shoot him.
He won't. I don't have any rocket launcher.
I fumbled.
Right here, Garrett. There's 3 people right here. Run.
No, I got
They're affected.
I downed 2 of them.
3 people.
Great.
I'm
Double kill. Yeah!
He's right there, Garrett. You want to help a pal out? Oh wait, your teammates. Obesity is a problem, dude. These guys have to be transported by helicopters whenever they need to use the bathroom.
That's so funny. Wait, what was the other one?
Airstrike. Oh my god! Oh. I hit him.
Okay, I buttered him up. Oh, they have a car. Are you kidding? Oh, Garrett, time to use your expertise.
Nice. I downed one. Oh, he got me. He got me.
Alright, it's all to me now.
Oh my god, did we just win?
Yeah.
Oh